Hello everyone, welcome back to Suku Studios. This is Sukanya and I am a 2D animator, street artist and an illustrator based in India. And this is my channel where I share with you guys the process behind my artwork. So I have come to visit Calcutta and meanwhile I have taken part in a competition conducted by Flame Paint India, where the main idea was to recycle used spray cans and so that we keep them longer. And this week I will show you guys the process behind painting them. So I have used these Posca markers to paint them, and these are opaque markers which can be used on almost any surfaces. So let's not waste any more time, let's go and paint the cans. As you can see, I am planning a composition using these 4 spray cans which are empty after making a lot of street arts. So I'm really excited to do this, and it is quite a challenging thing because of the shape and the material which is there to explore. So for this I am using Posca markers to paint on them. So if you don't have Posca markers or any permanent markers, you can use any acrylic paint as well to paint on this metal surface. So at first I am outlining my illustration on the can. Once that is done and I am happy with it, I will quickly fill up the solid colors and then finally go for the details. I am basically drawing a girl who is spraying a cat out. By this I mean that by using colors you can use you can make things come out to life, and that is the sole purpose and the idea behind this work. The concept behind this competition is very unique and intriguing, and one would definitely want to take part in it because of the idea of recycling and reusing. I feel is what we are all looking for in everything in our daily lives, and this is helping us do it and reach a step further. So I'm really grateful for this, and I'm really happy to receive the 3rd prize for this competition, and thank you Flame Paint India for those amazing gifts. I'll surely use them to make good artworks in future. I don't have much to say about this. I hope you will get a good understanding just by watching the process. So I'll let you watch the process and I'll come back during the end of the video to tell you the story about the competition. something which is useful. Hope you guys like this video. Do let me know in the comment section below what you feel about it. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for an exciting video next week.